Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Costco credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to log into your Costco credit card account, firstly, open your Google search. Type in Costco credit card login and make a search. It will display the results on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. Click on an account option on the top right corner of the screen. It will take you to the login page of Costco. Enter your email address and password associated with your Costco credit cards account. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Tap on Keep Me Signed In if you want to stay logged in. In case if you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password or else click on Sign In. This is how you can log into your Costco credit cards account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.